Hi, this is Jane. Welcome to my kitchen. I have a new recipe called cheese bread that I want to show you, so let's go. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to slice it, but I'm not going to go all the way down. I'm just going to go part way down. And then I'm going to turn it and I'm going to go across the cut that I just did. And again, I'm not going to go all the way down. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to loosen this up a little bit and I'm going to add cheese into it. Now, I happen to choose pepper jack cheese because I do like a little spice in my cheese, but you can pick your favorite cheese. Any cheese works. So all you do is stick it in here randomly. There we go. I think I got most of my cheese in. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I've got my melted butter. I'm going to add my lemon juice into it, my Dijon mustard, and my seasonings. And just mix that together. Okay, now the next thing, actually the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pour my mixture over the bread and cheese. I'm going to kind of make sure it gets down into the crevices because I want that good flavor everywhere. Now all I have to do is wrap it up in foil and I'm going to pop it in the oven and bake it. Okay, now I just took my cheese bread out of the oven. I only have one last step to do and it's pretty easy. All I'm going to do is sprinkle some chives over the top. Now, I know you are going to want this recipe, so here's how you go to it. You go on to celebratemore.com/Jane's Recipes. Not only will this one be on there, but so will many others. So enjoy, because I'll tell you what, I'm going to start enjoying this right now. We'll see you soon.